As a teacher, you already have a lot on your plate. Grading hours of student recordings, providing personalized feedback, it takes a lot of time. What if you could do as many speaking activities as you wanted without creating hours of work for yourself? With auto grading and instant feedback features, you can do just that. For free response activities, you can configure it to provide students with grammar feedback, a proficiency level estimation, a suggested response, and even detailed feedback based on a rubric you've created. Don't worry, you're still in control. In your gradebook, you'll find the student recordings, the transcript, the feedback provided, and you'll even be able to adjust the grades and provide comments to your students. So, if you'd like to try these features out, just reply below, free trial, and a member of our team will get in touch with you as soon as we can.